To reset an Epson printer using the WIC service software, first we go to Apps, scroll down and click on the WIC Reset icon. This opens WIC. You may get a window that is an assistant window pop up on first opening. You can click Close Forever and this will disappear. On the left hand side you'll have your printers that are installed on your computer listed. In our example we're using the ET1810. So we select it here and then click Read Waste Counters. This shows us the capacity on our waste counters on the printer. As you can see, this printer is perfectly fine, but we'll reset these counters back to 0. We then click Reset Waste Counter. And here it will ask you for a key that will have been emailed to you from Ink Experts. Go to your emails and copy the code that has been emailed to you. We can then minimize our window and back in WIC, paste this code into this box. Click OK and that will reset the waste counters. Once this icon appears telling you to turn off the printer, turn the printer off and then back on when it says. There we have it. Our printer has been reset and is ready to use.